Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Real Technical Knowledge. This is my first video on StudioX installation. StudioX is a part of UiPath and basically it is for non-technical users. First of all you need to type URL https://platform.uipath.com. If you are already registered on UiPath Cloud, then it will directly redirect you to the UiPath Cloud URL. Now I need to sign out from UiPath URL, then retype URL https://platform.uipath.com. If not registered, then you will have the login or sign up page of UiPath platform. There is 3 options to sign in, including Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn or email and password. Now I will use the Google option because I have Gmail account. After clicking on Google option, you need to select your Gmail email address. After selecting Gmail email address, it will redirect to UiPath Cloud landing page. Then you need to select the home option and then download UiPath Studio or StudioX. After choosing option to download Studio or StudioX, it will automatically download it in your system and showing downside of your web page. The size of UiPath downloader is 288 MB and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to download or depend upon your internet speed. Now UiPath downloader file is downloaded in system and it will be available in your download folder. Now double click on the downloader file or X file. After this UiPath application is started to install in your system. There is progress bar showing in the UiPath icon on task bar. Progress bar shows your installation percentage. We need to wait until progress bar completed at 100%. In between installation, I would like to let you know that UiPath StudioX is one of the simplest application to learn and even non-technical users can automate the events. See, the progress bar is increasing and reaching at 100%. After that the UiPath is disappear for few seconds, however it is a normal procedure and it will be reappear very soon. See, UiPath is appear again. You can check the version of UiPath here. Currently version is 2020.6 and in August 2020. There will be an updated version is coming 2020.8, added with more features. It will again disappear and will appear very soon. Now your UiPath is installed in your system. You can use both UiPath Studio and StudioX with same package. In very first window you will have option as Watch, Tutorial and Academy. By choosing these options you can learn more and more. In Tutorial, there are multiple video listed and in Academy, you can enroll for various certifications. Now on second window there are 2 options: 1. UiPath Studio Pro and 2. UiPath StudioX. After this you need to choose the option Preview. see the Studio X is opening now, and from here you can also check the version. After first time installation you need to install Excel add-in. To install add-in you need to go in Tools, then select Install Excel add-in. There are other add-in listed and we will discuss in detail in other videos. After add-in installation you will have this pop-up, that means the selected add-in is installed in your UiPath package. Now we will discuss little more about the setting part of the UiPath. Like how can we change the profile from Studio X to Studio and etc. To change profile from Studio X to Studio or vice versa, we need to go to the setting, then license and profile, then select the desired profile where you want to work. Now your Studio X is ready to use and you can create your first automation here. That's all for now. We will meet in next with first automation. Till then, bye bye.